Look at my food. I don't eat those. I'll just get this. Got meat. Hot dog. This is all I eat, guys. For $10, I get salad. We got salad, so I'm just gonna get salad. So, mao ni ang among dinner, $10 per person here sa Gala Buffet. It's a student buffet. Ay, orange juice is. It's called watermelon mint. You wanna try it? And the other one is passion fruit something. Pineapple passion fruit. This one is pineapple passion fruit. Ito naman watermelon mint. Alan had orange juice. He got a lot of food. He gotta eat for his $10.
I wish I could get smaller portions.
Oh, I got salad. And I don't know what it is. Their menu today is not my favorite. So the last time we came here, it was a good one. They got fish. The last time my salad was really good. I don't know what kind of sauce I put last time, but it was really good. This time I can't. I got the French one.
Are you talking to your cell phone?
Okay yung salad nila. I ate all my food. I guess I was hungry. There wasn't a lot of food either.